Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 9, 6th lesson, lines and angles lesson, exercise 6.2, 4th question. See beta, what is the question is that in the figure AB parallel to CD. See here, AB parallel to CD. These two lines are parallel. Next APQ. APQ, this is how much degree is there? 50 degrees there. Next PRD. PRD, this angle is 127 degrees there. Now we will find X value and Y value. Now see here, APQ 50 degree, PRD 127 degree. Now we will find X value, Y value. Now see here, these two lines parallel lines. This is a transversal. You are thinking means this angle, both are alternate interior angles. See here, two parallel lines. See here. Now this is the transversal means see here. These two are parallel lines. This is the transversal means this angle equal to this angle. Y means alternate interior angles are equal. So now this is 50 degree means this X also 50 degree. Y means alternate interior angles are equal. Now you can write it. See here beta. Angle APQ. Angle APQ equal to PQR. Angle PQR. Both are equal. What is the reason? Alternate interior angles. Okay. This is two parallel lines. This is a transversal means 50. This X both are equal. So okay. APQ how much degree is there? 50 degrees there. PQR how much is there? X. So therefore X is equal to how much degree? 50 degree. Now you got one answer. Next, now we will find Y value. Okay. Next, these two are parallel. This is the transversal means here. These two are parallel lines. This is a transversal means this angle, alternate interior angles. These two are parallel lines. This is a transversal means this angle, both are alternate interior angles. Here, this parallel. This is a transversal. You are feeling means this angle, both are alternate interior angles. That concept we will use. Now see here, angle APR equal to PRD. Angle PRD, both are equal. What is the reason? Alternate interior angles. See here, carefully listen. APR, this one we will take. Okay, this is the transversal. So APR. So this angle we are taking. APR, this angle we are taking. APR means what? 50 plus Y. 50 plus Y is equal to PRD. How much is there? 127 degree. Okay. Now we will find Y value. Y is equal to 127 degree minus 50 degree. Okay. 127 minus 50 means here 7, 5, 77 degree. So Y is equal to 77 degree. So this is 50 degree. This is 77 degree. So now I will write here. See, carefully listen. This X value how much is there? 50 degree. So now you got Y value how much? 77 degree. This value is the 77 degree. This is the answer. See here, fair note. This is X value is the alternate interior angles 50 degree. And here also alternate interior angle. This is 77 degree. This is the fair notes. You can use it. Okay. Now, fifth question. See beta. In the figure, try to understand. In the figure, PQRS two mirrors placed parallel to each other. PQ and RS, both are the mirrors. They are parallel to each other. Try to understand. These both are mirrors. These both are parallel to each other. An incident ray AB. An incident, this is a ray AB. AB strikes the mirror. AB strikes the mirror PQ. This AB is striking mirror PQ at B. Okay. Next, the reflected ray. This reflected ray, its reflected ray moves along the path BC. It is moving to path BC. It striked RS. It striked RS at C. Again it is reflected back CD. This is the CD. Now we have to prove AB parallel to, now we have to prove AB parallel to CD. We have to prove what? We have to prove AB parallel to CD. Here, this ray moving here. AB moving at B. Where is this B? On PQ. Next, it is moving like this. It is a BC. Okay. It is striking. Where striking? On RS striking. This point is C. Again, it is moving back. It is a CD like this. This is the question is the C. Raise. It is striking here. Again, come back. Again, striking here. Again, moving like this. This is the question is there. Now we have to prove this AB parallel to CD. You have to prove this is the question. Okay, this proving before we will draw one construction. Construction, what is there? Here you draw one perpendicular line. Here also you draw one perpendicular line. You give one name. This is the E, this is the F. Okay, this is the construction. First we will draw the construction. What is the construction? Is there BE perpendicular PQ, CF perpendicular to RS. This is the construction. So first we will write construction. Try to understand construction. What is the construction? Is then means here BE perpendicular to PQ. BE perpendicular to PQ. Next, CF perpendicular to RS. This one you have to draw the construction. Later I will give the notes also. See here at point B, you draw a line BE and this BE perpendicular to P. Next, at point C, you draw a line that is CF is perpendicular to RS. You can write it a sentence. Okay, first you try to understand. Later I will give the notes. So, BE perpendicular to PQ, CF perpendicular to RS is finished. Now, here will form two angles. What is the angles? Angles name I will give here, different I will give. Now, see here. This is angle 1. This is angle 2. Next, here I am taking 3. Here I am taking 4. So, now see here, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. What is the reason? Angle of incidence, this angle of reflection. Angle of incidence and reflection both are equal. Okay. Now, you can write here angle 1 equal to angle 2. And try to understand 3, 4, this both are equal. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. What is the reason? Angle of incidence, sorry, INCIDENC, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Okay, you can write it reflection. Okay, this meaning what? See here, angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 4. Okay, this is the incident, this is the reflection. Incidence, reflection, incidence, reflection. So, angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. You can write the reason. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. You can write it. This point after you try to understand. Here I will explain. See here, PQ parallel to RS. Okay. Next point you can write PQ parallel to RS is only given in the question. Next, BE perpendicular to PQ. Okay. BE perpendicular to PQ. This BE line perpendicular to PQ. Okay. We did construction. Next, and CF perpendicular to RS. Okay. Okay, these two lines parallel is there. This BE perpendicular to PQ, CF perpendicular to RS. So, these two lines, these perpendiculars also parallel. Now, try to understand that these two are parallel lines. Here, any perpendicular lines is there, means these perpendicular lines also parallel. See here, parallel middle distance equal is there. So, these two perpendicular lines also parallel. So, now you can write BE parallel to CF. Okay. Now BE parallel to CF. Okay. See here, this two parallel lines, this middle distance equal. So equal means this is the perpendicular. So this BE and CF both are perpendicular. So this meaning what? This also parallel. So BE parallel to CF. Now these two parallel is there means this is the transversal. So this is the transversal means angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Try to understand. Now we can take, try to understand. These two are parallel lines. So this is what transversal means. These two are alternate interior angles. So which one alternate interior angles? So 2, 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. See here 3 is there, here 4 is there. So angle 2 is equal to angle 3. What is the reason? Alternate interior angles are equal. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Now you can write angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Now you take, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Okay. Now here in this question you observe carefully. 1 is equal to 2. Next here 2 is equal to 3 proved. Next 3 is equal to 4 proved. So 1 equal to 4 also. So now you can write, this is the second equation. In this question see 1 equal to 2. Okay. Next 2 equal to 3. See angle of incidence and angle of reflection to this 1 equal to 2. Alternate angles means what is there? 2 is equal to 3. Next 3 is equal to 4 is there. So automatically 1 equal to 4. Okay. 1 equal to 2 is there. 1 equal to 2 is there. 2 equal to 3 is there. 3 equal to 4 is there. All angles are equal is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. All angles are equal is there. So now you can take angle 1 equal to angle 4. We can take it. Now you take a second equation. Now you are adding first equation and second equation. Try to understand. Adding equation 1 and 2. Now you are adding equation 1 and 2. You are adding 1 and 2 adding means you write left hand side, you add right hand side. So now we can take angle 1 plus angle 2. Right side angle 3 plus angle 4 you can take. Okay. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 means which angle? This angle. This full angle. Ear to ear. This full 1 plus 2 means this full angle. 3 plus 4 means this full angle. So 1 plus 2 means what we will take? A, B, C, this full angle. So now you can write angle A, B, C equal to 3 plus 4 means this full angle. This full angle means B, C, D. Angle B, C, D. Okay. So this angle equal to this angle. So these both angles are equal is there means these two angles what? These two parallel lines, this full are alternate interior angles. This is parallel, this one. So see here, this which angles? This is the transversal means alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles is there means these two are parallel. When parallel only alternate interior angles. When parallel only corresponding angles are equal. So now here want only alternating interior. So alternate interior angles equal K means these two lines are parallel. When parallel only you will get alternate interior angles are equal. So these alternate interior angles we got equal. Alternate interior angles equal you got means this line parallel. So finally you can write AB parallel to CD is the answer. Okay. Now this is the fair notes. You can use it little bit understand. This is also very easy question. And this is the angles, lines and angles lesson last sum. Okay. Again you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel. Done.